Hey guys, in this video we'll be going over the continuation of the Python video series. We'll be continuing with the dictionaries tutorials. So we'll be doing getting the number of elements in a dictionary. So we can use the len function to get the length of an object, or in this case a dictionary, which is an object. So basically we can just create a new dictionary here. So we can just have def main. So we'll have a dictionary. So let's say we have dictionary 1 points to some dictionary. Let's just say we'll just do the fruits again. What are some fruits or vegetables, whatever. So we'll have, I think that's a vegetable, so we'll have a, if I spelled it right. So let's say we have avocado, then we have our green, whatever. We're going to need a shift semicolon instead of the comma. So then we can separate the key value pairs with a comma, so then we can have, what else can we have? Let's just go with tomato. Or maybe have avocados, tomatoes. Am I spelling that right? I'm not sure how to spell avocado exactly, because I haven't spelled. I've forgotten how to spell simple words. I don't know if I'm just getting too old, but when I stopped writing essays after the second year university, I pretty much forgot how to spell. So then now we have, so I have a key value pair here. Then we have, let's just say tomatoes are red. And we'll have one more, what's another vegetable that we have in a different color? So we'll just go with onions. So with purple onions. Purple onions are purple. So in this case, we have, let's just say we want to print out the dictionary first. So we print out dictionary 1, then let's say we want to say num elements. Or we could just say elements. Points to the len of dictionary 1. And then we can just print number of elements are comma pass in elements. Down here do we have some statements down here? Nope. We don't? Okay, so we have, then here we'll just have main. A main function call, then actually here we'll just have an extra print statement. So we'll set a print breakpoint here. I'll run it in the debugger. So number of elements are, so this is our dictionary. Avocados are green, tomatoes are red, purple onions are purple. Number of elements are 3, or should have been is 3. So yeah, so that's pretty much how to get the length, getting the number of elements in a dictionary. So moving on, we have, so now we'll do mixing data types in a dictionary. So as mentioned before, the keys in a dictionary must be immutable objects, but their associated values can be any type of object. So for example, the values can be lists, so it can be anything. So we can do an example of that. So we can just delete that stuff. Delete this dictionary as well. What is all this stuff? So let's have dictionary. Well, I think it's glitching out. I think PyCharm's glitching out. I don't know if you can see that, but it has some dictionary. Maybe that's because it's still in run, in debug. Okay, so we'll have. So let's just have dictionary 1 points to, we'll call our curly braces. Curly brackets here will have a name. Let's just say we have my channel, my YouTube channel name. So we'll just have with the shift semicolon. Then we'll have a. We can pass a list here, so we can say, okay, well, code invest list is the key. Let's say that code invest list is the key, and we have the value is just some random numbers. Then we can have something random, anything. You can have like the color red, shift semicolon, then we'll have another list. We could just maybe store some more numbers in there. Okay, looks, apologize, we have this, need to move this ending bracket outside here, the curly one. So let's just say we have 2 values, or we can have 3 values. We could have 3 or 4, it's getting to be off the screen, so let's just go with 2. So then let's say, okay, well, we want to print dictionary 1. Move the breakpoint down there. So code invest list, we have our list here. So we have our dictionary here, 2 key value pairs in our dictionary. So we have code invest list, which is the key, of course. Then we have our value, which is the numbers in a list. So it's the value is really a list containing ints. And then we have a key red, which its value is mapped to another list with more values inside. So it creates a dictionary, then restoring keys, string keys, which contain lists. So the values that are stored in a single dictionary can be of different types. For example, one element's value might be a string, another element's value might be a list. Or for example, another element's value can be an integer. The keys can be different types too, as long as they are immutable. So we can just change it up here. Let's just say we have just make this smaller. So we have red here. Let's go with let's just say 5 stores. Blue. Let's see if that works. I think it does work. So we call it a string, we call it a number type. That should be fine. Let's see if that works here. So in our dictionary we have previous elements, and we also have 5, which is a integer key, which returns the value, which is a string. And we can just go with one more. Let's say we have a float. We can store a int. 2.4 stores the int 10. So the key 2.4, which is the key, the value is going to be 10. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much just everything there. So we pretty much just mixed it up. We mixed up the keys and with different types and values with different keys. Do different key types here. Yeah, we did different key types, different value types. So I think that's good. So in the next tutorial, we'll be going over creating an empty dictionary and using the for loop to iterate over a dictionary. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys would like to support the channel, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel for more free educational content on coding or investing. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.